Hey, welcome to another video from SkinnyMedic. In this video, we're going to take a look at my current concealed weapon. I appreciate armslist.com for sponsoring this video. Armslist.com lets you shop your local area for amazing face-to-face deals or shop nationwide from a network of over 1,300 FFL dealers. So be sure to check out armslist.com. I appreciate them sponsoring this video. So I've been pretty excited about this weapon here. This is the Glock 43X. My wife carries the Glock 43. She really likes it, but I wanted a little bit of upgrade. I wanted the rail here, and I was really excited about the Shield Arms magazines. As a quick overview here, this is the Glock 43X. I did upgrade the mag release here because I was running the Shield Arms, and I had watched so many videos talking about upgrading from the polymer mag release to an aluminum one if you're running metal mag, so I did that. I'm running a SwampFox optic here with a green dot. I'll show you that a little bit closer here in a few minutes. And I was really excited about running a light on my concealed weapon. For a holster, I've been using Black Rhino concealment, and this being a single stack 9mm, it's been really comfortable carrying as a concealed weapon, even with a light on it. One of the main reasons I bought the Glock 43X was the Shield mag, so I could run 15 rounds instead of 10 rounds. We'll talk about a few issues I've had there in a few minutes. So here gives you a little better closer look. I've been honestly running the 10 round factory Glock magazines because I've had zero reliability issues with running these mags, no problems. I was really hopeful for the Shield Arms 15 round. And maybe I just got some bad mags, maybe I had a bad run on them, but I had some reliability issues. It kept jamming and just would not feed, so I'm hopeful. So maybe I can try something different. Like I said, that's why I switched to the aluminum mag release. Did read that on a few different forums that you need to switch out that running a steel mag.
Yeah, they look.
And I guess I did have some issues with the Shield mags, and maybe I just had a couple bad magazines, things like that, but I did have some feeding problems with the magazine. It just wasn't working well. So when I carry a concealed weapon now, using the Glock 43X, I've been running the factory mags. So the Glock 19 here is a little bit thicker on the width, plus the light sticking out. This makes it a little uncomfortable to carry for a concealed weapon, which is why this one feels great for a concealed weapon. So we'll take a little bit closer look here at the Glock 43X. I have been carrying this for my concealed weapon for quite a while now. Really like it because it is thinner. I'm able to carry a flashlight, and I'm running a Black Rhino concealment holster, which I've actually really enjoyed. It's been super comfortable, and even though I have a flashlight on it, it actually is still nice and low profile and comfortable enough to wear for a concealed weapon. Double check, we're empty. So starting out, we do have a single stack Glock frame, which feels very nice in the hand, especially for a concealed weapon. I did switch to the anodized mag release because I did try the Shield Arms mag, which would have been a double stack, which would have been really nice. But honestly and truly, I had some malfunctions with the magazines. I bought two and couldn't get them to run clean, so I've actually went back to the 10 round magazine that's stock to carry for a concealed weapon. I'm running the Streamlight TLRR-7 Sub. Make sure you get the sub if you're going to run this. Anything else won't fit. For a flashlight, I really like that. I really do like having a flashlight on my concealed weapon. I'm using a SwampFox optic here, and I went with green this time. Let's see if I can get it in camera. And I like the green. It's easy to pick up. It's nice. I do need to change the sights out on here, to be honest with you, because they're not co-witnessing. So if something happens to the optic, then I disappear. So that is the plans, is to upgrade and put suppressor heights, or at least something that's 1/3 height there, so I can adjust that. So thank you guys for watching. You never know when you'll be the first responder. Remember, you need the right gear and the right training.